AKJ1530FR is a high-configuration tube and sheet fiber laser cutting machine, which can not only cut plates with high efficiency but also cut pipes. The high-performance laser generator and SIP-cut cutting system with stable operation ensure the best cutting effect. The laser head is automatically adjusted to keep the focal length constant so that the cutting quality is more stable. AKJ1530FR fiber laser cutting machine is the most environmentally friendly laser cutting machine model, widely used in electronics, electrical, mechanical hardware, new energy, packaging, solar energy, LED, automobile, and other industries. The fiber laser cutting machine is used to cut various metal pipes and sheets of different materials, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, galvanized sheet, electrolytic sheet, brass, aluminum, various alloy sheets, rare metals, etc.